So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can wear multiple accessories in your Roblox avatar. So in order to do that, just open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. And once you open Chrome, just go to roblox.com and log in your account. Once you do this, click on these three lines and click on avatar. Now head over to accessories and select what accessories you want to wear. Let's suppose we want to wear forehead, just click on head, and I only have one, but if you have two or multiple, so what you have to do is, let's suppose these are your accessories, just right click on it and click on open link in new tab. Once you do this, accessories will be opened here. Now what you want to do is get back to your main tab and click on advanced. Now what you have to do is, you will find the asset IDs. You have to enter asset IDs of your accessories. You can add multiple asset IDs here, as you can see. So how to find these asset IDs? Go over to your items tab, and here you will find an asset ID. You see this 1405, just copy this, not the slashes, just copy the number between the slashes. Now control C and go over to your main tab and paste it here. Do this for every accessory what you want to add, and once you do this, just click save and it will appear on your avatar. So yes, this is how you can wear multiple accessories in Roblox. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.